Vitamin A, also known as retinol and beta-carotene, is really important for healthy skin. Inside and out, it protects against infection. Vitamin A is thought to protect against several forms of cancer. It's a great antioxidant and booster for our immune system. And yes, rabbits have it right when it comes to night vision. Vitamin A helps us see in the dark. Am I deficient? Do you suffer from mouth ulcers, colds and infections? How about dandruff, dry flaky skin? Have you had a bout of thrush or cystitis? If so, maybe you would benefit from more vitamin A. Where can I find vitamin A? You can find vitamin A in the following foods: apricots, beef liver, carrots, cabbage, squash, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, melons, mangoes, tomatoes, broccoli, tangerines, papaya and watercress. Supplements. Vitamin A is also available in a supplemental form in retinol from an animal source, or in natural beta-carotene or retinol palmitate if you're looking for a vegetable source. Vitamin A works well with zinc. Vitamin C and vitamin E help protect vitamin A. If you smoke, please talk to a nutritionist before supplementing with vitamin A.